Hello everyone and welcome to this video, guys. Today I will show you how you can connect interactive broker to MetaTrader 5. So guys, basically this is not any option offers to connect support to connect directly. You need to some bridge solution to link. How you can do this? Just follow this step, guys. Enter your account information from interactive broker here, and make sure make all verification process, and make sure charge your account amount required. And after that, guys, download IB gateway. After that, guys, download IB gateway. For example, this is the MetaTrader 5, and download IB gateway on the website, and you use your information. This for MetaTrader 5, guys. And after that, guys, what you have to do, log in your account, the portal on get IB gateway. After that, guys, download sign up for IB car account interactive broker, and download and install a gateway and enable IPA access IB gateway. This one enable IPA. You see IPA from here, you can enable. And after that, guys, what you have to do, open MetaTrader 5 and add your broker login account, and add your broker login, and test connection by checking live market data and small trade from here. Just download, guys, download IP gateway or TWS from here, from Compass IBKR broker Compass. This is how you can do, guys, and I hope this video helpful for you. And don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content. Just follow the steps, guys, and you will help for this video.